guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I created this blue and pink look, keeping in theme with the gender reveal that I posted earlier this week. If you haven't watched that, I will link it down below. So in this look, I used the products from my Boxycharm that I received this month. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. So the primer I'll be wearing today is the Touch and Sol No Problem Primer. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer for just the corner of my eyes and then over some of my pimples because I'm breaking out like crazy. Taking a Morphe G38 brush and some setting spray, I'm going to just wet the brush a little bit and then blend out the concealer. Next, I'll be taking the MAC Prep and Prime 24 Hour Extend Eye Base and applying that to my eyelids. Going into my Boxycharm now. I'm just seeing what we have to use. So there's the South Main eye gel packs. I'm not going to use these just because I've already applied my primer. I probably should have checked what was in here first before starting to apply, but it's fine. I'll test those out another day. There's a pretty Vulgar blush in here, and it's the Make Them Blush in Prim Vixen. Some mascara, so it's the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Some brushes, the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smokey Eye Brush Set. And last but not least, it's the Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Oh yeah, there's a little, there you go. Yeah, that's really pretty. On a Morphe E28 brush, I'm going to go into the blush and use that as a transition shade. I'm going to be using these brushes. There's little steps on these brushes. So this one says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3 go girl girl. Go girl. Step 3 go girl go. I'm going to go into BFF, which is this purple shade over here, and put that in the crease. Going back into the palette, I'm going into this beautiful blue shade, which is Mia, and packing that on the lid. Going back into BFF, which is the purple shade, I'm going to blend that into the blue. Using the NYX Super Skinny Eye Marker, I'm going to create a wing. I'm going to go ahead and recreate the look on this eye, and I'll be right back. I'm back and my eyes are done. And the next thing for me to do is my face. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth Foundation in shade 125, which is a nude beige. I'll be using my favorite concealer of all time, which is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. And I'll be using the shade Fair. It's a chicken foot. To set my face, I'll be using the Mercier setting powder. To do my eyebrows today, I'll be using the Winky Lux eyebrow pencil. I don't have a lot of information about it just because I got it in my Boxycharm a few months ago. But I like it a lot. I've got one brow done. I'm going to finish the other one off of camera. And I'm also going to clean them up and I'll be back. And I'm back. My brows are on. Dusting away the powder with the Morphe R10 brush. I'm going to bronze up my face using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and the Morphe R7 brush. I am going to contour my face with the IBY Highlight and Contour Palette. After contour, it's time to blush, and I'll be using the blush that I used as a transition shade on my eyelids. Blush is done, and it's time to... That's a terrible drum roll. If you said highlight, you've guessed it. Today I'll be using the Becca Cosmetics and Prosseco Pop. It's a beautiful golden shade. With the M496 brush, I am going to highlight my brow bones, my cupid's bow, and down the bridge of my nose. Using the mascara that came in the Boxycharm, I'll be using the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Whew, this is huge! Going back into the eyeshadow palette, I'm going into beige and putting that on my bottom lash line. In my waterline, I am going to be using the Maybelline New York Color Show eyeliner. I'm not one of those people who can hold their eye down and do their liner at the same time, so I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and I've put the eyeliner on and I did not realize how pretty this was. On my bottom lashes, I am going to be using the NYX Color Mascara in Mint Jullip. I will be wearing falsies today and I'll be using the Pure Pro Eyelashes in Diva. I'm applying these off of camera because it takes me like half an hour to apply them and I'm not going to record that. But I'll be back once they're on. So my lashes are on and the next step is lipstick. So today I'm going to try my best to do an ombre effect. I'll be using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. Let's hope I can do this. I haven't even practiced. This is my first time doing this. And I really hope I can do this. I believe I actually did it. I completed an ombre lip look without crying. Not bad. To set my face, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Spray and Set. Alright guys, this is a completed look. I hope you like it. It's my first time doing an ombre lip and I think it was pretty successful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. So I've got my umbrella over here, and when I bent over, smacked my head right off the point. I'm glad it didn't go into my eye. Oh my god, this time it hit my eye. To set my face, I'll be contouring my face with the IBY Beauty Highlight on Contour Palette. Blush is done and it's time to fuck, man. Shit. Okay. That's the Cupid's bow. The Cupid's bro. down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's blow,